Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to see how to calculate the sum of all elements in integer Swift array. Okay, now firstly we will create a variable for our array. Let's say arr_num. I will set this equals to some random numbers. Actually I don't know what is the sum of these elements are. To calculate the sum, we can simply say a new variable, let sum is equals to, now we have to use this variable name, array variable name, in this case arr_num. Now we have to say dot reduce, right? Now you have to put parentheses. As the first argument you have to put 0 and then comma, you have to say plus here, plus symbol, right? Now we can just print our sum, right? Finally we will have this sum as the output. Now let's go ahead and try another example. Instead these random values I will say some known numbers like 10, 20 and again 30. 30, 20 is 50 and this is 60. We should get output as 60. Alright, that's correct, and I'll see in the next lecture. Thank you.